In the quest for personal growth and self-improvement, we often seek unconventional paths that promise transformative results. One such intriguing avenue is the interplay between quantum mechanics and the human mind. By delving into the intricate realm of quantum principles, we can unlock new perspectives and techniques to foster our personal development journey. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. How quantum mechanics can impact your mind. Quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that delves into the behavior of particles on a minuscule scale, has brought to light an abundance of bewildering concepts that push the boundaries of our traditional comprehension of reality. This intricate field, characterized by phenomena such as superposition and entanglement, forces us to rethink the fundamental nature of the universe. It introduces the notion that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously and that their behavior can be influenced by observation. These revelations, while perplexing, offer a unique lens through which we can view the interconnectedness of all things. By exploring the profound implications of quantum mechanics, we open the door to fresh perspectives on how our minds and the cosmos interact, potentially leading to greater personal growth and self-discovery. Here are some ways in which quantum mechanics can impact your mind. Entanglement, a profound interconnection. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon in which particles establish an intrinsic connection irrespective of distance, serves as a metaphorical mirror for the interconnectedness of human encounters. Similar to particles that instantly impact one another, our sentiments, thoughts, and deeds can send ripples across the tapestry of existence, shaping outcomes that transcend our immediate perception. This concept suggests a profound unity that binds us to the world around us, emphasizing how our interconnected experiences have the potential to create far-reaching effects. Just as particles intricately linked can exert instantaneous influence over one another. Superposition, embracing possibilities. The principle of superposition posits that particles can inhabit numerous states at once. Likewise, our minds have the capacity to adopt a range of viewpoints and options. Recognizing the presence of diverse paths empowers us to make deliberate choices that resonate with our goals. Just as particles can exist in multiple conditions, understanding that our thoughts and actions can coexist in a spectrum of possibilities enables us to navigate life with intention. This acknowledgement fuels our ability to make decisions that align with our desires, ensuring that we actively shape our journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Observer effect, shaping reality. Within the quantum realm, the mere act of observation transforms particle behavior, reflecting how our perception molds our encounters. Similarly, our outlook influences our reality. Nurturing a positive, receptive mindset enables us to actively shape our world, drawing in opportunities that harmonize with our objectives. Just as observing particles brings about change, our thoughts and attitudes shape the course of our experiences. By fostering a constructive perspective and remaining open to possibilities, we align ourselves with the forces of quantum mechanics, orchestrating a reality that mirrors our intentions and propelling us toward personal growth and fulfillment. Utilizing quantum mechanics for personal growth. While the intricacies of quantum mechanics might seem distant from our daily lives, integrating its principles can lead to profound personal growth. Here's how you can harness its power. Practice mindfulness, embrace the present moment. Mindfulness resonates with the core of quantum observation, emphasizing complete presence. Embracing mindfulness practices allows us to witness our thoughts, emotions, and environment impartially. This heightened awareness grants us the ability to respond with thoughtfulness instead of reacting impulsively. Just as the act of observation alters particles, our conscious observation of our inner and outer worlds enhances our control over reactions. Mindfulness equips us with the power to navigate life's currents with grace and intention, aligning our experiences with the principles of quantum mechanics for enhanced personal growth and fulfillment. Visualize your desired reality, the power of intention. Quantum mechanics proposes that our intentions wield influence over outcomes. Utilize this principle by harnessing the art of visualization. Craft a mental portrait of your envisioned reality, imbuing it with positive sentiments. This focused intent becomes a compass steering your endeavors toward the realization of your aspirations. Just as quantum particles respond to observation, your deliberate focus on your dreams activates a powerful force within you. By aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcomes, you orchestrate a harmonious convergence of intention and action, propelling you to materialize your goals and aspirations with remarkable clarity and purpose. Embrace change, the constant flux. Quantum mechanics illuminates the universe's dynamic essence, mirroring personal growth's essence of embracing change. Both emphasize the constant flux of existence. Just as particles transition between states, our development thrives on evolution. Rather than resisting life's ebbs and flows, cultivate a supple mindset that embraces change. Embrace new prospects and challenges as avenues for growth. By mirroring the adaptability seen in the quantum realm, you align with the universe's inherent dynamism. This synergy empowers you to navigate life's currents with resilience, welcoming transformation as a catalyst for your journey towards greater personal growth and self-discovery. Foster positive connections, the entangled network. Similar to particles being entangled, humans are interlinked through relationships. Foster valuable connections that bolster your growth voyage. Encircle yourself with people who motivate, provoke thought, and uplift you, forming a network of positive impact. Just as entangled particles exhibit a unique bond, your relationships possess the power to shape your journey. Nurturing connections that align with your aspirations contributes to your personal development. By cultivating an environment of support and inspiration, you create a harmonious synergy that propels you towards your goals, leveraging the interconnectedness of human experiences to enhance your own growth trajectory. In the fascinating intersection of quantum mechanics and personal growth, we uncover a realm of possibilities. As we embrace the interconnectedness of all things, harness the power of intention, and adapt to change, we embark on a transformative journey toward greater self-awareness and fulfillment. By merging the wisdom of quantum principles with our pursuit of personal development, we can unlock untapped potential and embark on a profound voyage of growth. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.